Good day, students. So today we'll talk about Module 5. This is for your week 6 topic. So the title is Ecosystem, Life, Energy. And under this we have two topics. First we have photosynthesis and second we have cellular respiration. So for today we'll talk about photosynthesis. Okay, so before we start, I want you to open your module on page 6. Answer the 15-item pretest doon sa Let's Try. So you have 5 minutes to do this. Okay, supposing you are done, then proceed to Let's Explore. This is on page 6, activity 1. It is divided into two parts. We have part A and part B. Part For part A, you need to study the cross section of a leaf, label its parts and states its functions. For part B, you need to rearrange the jumbled letters to form the correct word. So you will find all of this in your module. Okay, so supposing you're done with this, now this is the cross section of a leaf. So it has on the outermost section, you have the cuticle. Next is the epidermis, followed by the palisade mesophyll, the vein, and the lower epidermis. And we also have the spongy mesophyll and the stomata. So, I will leave this to you to determine the functions of each of these sections because this is part of your activity. Now, for the objectives of this lesson, we'll talk about photosynthesis. We'll have an introduction, okay, what photosynthesis is all about. We'll talk about the properties of light and pigments. We'll explore the chloroplast, its structure and function. We'll differentiate light and dark reaction of photosynthesis, or what we call as the carbon cycle, the carbon reaction, or what we call as the Calvin cycle. And of course, we'll talk about the summary and the conclusions. Okay, so the basics of photosynthesis. So almost all plants are photosynthetic autotrophs. When we say autotrophs, these are organisms that can make their own food. So yung kayang gumawa ng sarili nilang pagkain. So ang mga nandito ay yung mga green plants, no? Bakit green plants? Kasi yung green plants, sila yung may chlorophyll. And this chlorophyll is capable of producing food. Okay? But there are also other organisms just like bacteria and protists. Some of these are unicellular organisms. Okay? And masyado silang maliit, no? They are microorganisms. And we have also autotrophs, generate their own organic matter through photosynthesis. Okay, so yun, pag sinabi nating autotrophs, these are organisms that can make their own food just like the plants, no? But not all plants reproduce their food, no? Only the green plants. And yung mga nagko-consume naman ng autotrophs, ang tawag doon is heterotrophs. So heterotrophs, just like humans, depend on other organisms for their food because we cannot make our own food. Okay, so we depend on uh, plants, no, and other producers. Okay, so sunlight energy is transformed to energy stored in the form of chemical bonds. Okay, so yung energy coming from the sun is transformed into chemical compounds. Okay, so nandiyan yung may example. We have mosses, ferns, and flowering plants. Kelp. Meron din tayong mga yung mga tawag din, mga planktons, no? These are also organisms underwater that can undergo photosynthesis and produce oxygen for the other organisms. We have Euglena and cyanobacteria. So those are autotrophs. Okay, so why are plants green? Okay, so different wavelengths of light, of visible light, are seen by the human eye as different colors. So yun. Um, you can see there the different EM waves. When you say EM waves, these are electromagnetic waves. No? These are the range of uh, waves. Most of this we cannot see. No? Only the visible light. Yun lang yun. So, kung titingnan niyo, napakaliit na fraction lang dyan yung visible light. Yun yung nakikita natin. That's what we call as the Roy G. Biv. Okay, the red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. Okay, sa rainbow, no? Next. So this is why plants are green. Okay, so sunlight, okay, is a mixture of all the colors. Okay, so light is a mixture of all the colors. When it hits the plants, the green light is reflected and the other colors are absorbed. So, kung ano yung nare-reflect, yun lang yung nakikita natin. And, yung mga hindi natin nakikita, those are absorbed. So, sa case ng plants, yung nare-reflect dyan na color is the green. No? Kaya nakikita natin as green. Okay? Next. There are different kinds of chloroplast pigments. No? By the way, chloroplast, it's part of the cell, no? And a component of plant cell only. So sa plant cell lang matatagpuan yung chloroplast. Chloroplast contains several pigments. Okay, we have chlorophyll A. This is the principal pigment. And then we have chlorophyll B. This is the accessory pigment. This pigment, nagkamali lang ng ano. Okay, typo lang. Carotenoids, it gives red, yellow, orange pigment. So, bakit karamihan ng color ng leaves ng plants ay green? Because of the presence of chlorophyll. So, this chlorophyll is responsible for the green color of the plants. And bakit yung iba may color red, orange, yellow? It's because of the high presence of carotenoids. Okay? Next. So, plant cells have green chloroplast. The thylakoid membranes of the chloroplast is impregnated with photosynthetic pigment. So, we will talk about that later, kung ano yung mga thylakoids na yan, no? Okay, the color of light seen is the color not absorbed. Okay, so yun nga, yung kulay na nare-reflect is green, kaya yun yung nakikita natin. So, chloroplast absorb light energy and convert it into chemical energy. So, ano ba yung photosynthesis? So, what is photosynthesis? So, ito yung alam natin, no? Yung pinag-aralan na naman natin yung photosynthesis simula nung elementary, di ba? So, alam natin kung ano yan. We all know that photosynthesis is the food-making process of plants, right? So, pag-explain sa atin before is that light enters the leaves and then it will undergo some reactions or some process until it will produce oxygen, no? So, kailangan din niya ng water at saka carbon dioxide para mag-undergo siya ng process na to. Okay, so ito yung pinaka-simpleng explanation. But here in grade 9, mas malalim na pagtalakay yung gagawin natin. Kung ano ba ibig sabihin ng photosynthesis. Okay, so we have the introduction to photosynthesis. It is from the Greek photo actually, or photos. It means light. Okay, so or produced by light. Next, we have synthesis. It is a whole made of parts put together. Okay, so as a definition, we define photosynthesis as the process whereby plants, algae, some bacteria use the energy of the sun to synthesize or produce organic compounds. In this case, these organic compounds are sugars, no? Or glucose from inorganic compounds. We have inorganic compounds. These are the raw materials, no? We have carbon dioxide and water. So, yun yung medyo malalim ng definition. So, let's look at another definition. Okay, so photosynthesis is the process by which autotrophic organisms, I mentioned to you later a while ago that autotrophic, these are organisms that can make their own food, right? So, autotrophic organisms use light energy to make sugar and oxygen gas from carbon dioxide and water. Okay, so makikita niyo dyan yung process niya at saka yung equation, no? We'll have more of that later. So, another definition is that photosynthesis is the process of converting solar energy into chemical energy. Can use only water and carbon dioxide to create sugars, okay, or chemical energy. It is responsible for removal of 200 billion tons of carbon from the atmosphere yearly. So, yun, no? Carbon is produced by us humans and of course other processes just like burning, no? So, it accumulates in the atmosphere. So, kung pag-usapan pa natin, malaking epekto niyan hanggang sa umabot tayo sa global warming, di ba? And greenhouse effect. So, yung photosynthesis, nakatulong siya sa pag-remove ng carbon sa atmosphere, no? So, yung malaking bahagi, no? Billion na nawawala na carbon because of photosynthesis. Okay, so it occurs in chloroplast. Chloroplast, this is the part of the plant cell, no? Wherein the chlorophyll is contained, no? In most plants, photosynthesis occurs primarily in the leaves, in the chloroplast. So, sa karamihan ng plants, nangyayari yung photosynthesis doon sa dahon, no? Pero may mga ibang plants na walang dahon, di ba? Kaya halimbawa, yung mga cactus, no? So, ang main organ nila for photosynthesis is their stem. Okay? So, saan bahagi ng leaves? Doon sa tinatawag na chloroplast. Okay? Kasi nandun yung chlorophyll or the green pigment of plants. A chloroplast contains a stroma. This is the fluid. And you have grana, the stalk of thylakoids. The thylakoids contain chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is the green pigment that captures light for photosynthesis. Okay, so yan. So this is the general formula for photosynthesis. You have 6 atoms of carbon dioxide plus 12 atoms of water yields or produces C6H12O6. Yung C6H12O6 na yan yung glucose. Okay? Yan yung sugar na napoproduce ng photosynthesis. Yan yung pagkain, no? Yan yung pagkain. Yan yung food na napoproduce. Okay? Plus 6 atoms of O2 or oxygen. Plus 6 atoms of H2O or water. So, yun yung general formula for photosynthesis. Kung titingnan natin yung equation na yan, ano yung raw materials ng photosynthesis? So, we have here CO2. Okay, CO2 is the carbon dioxide. Okay, and then we have H2O. H2O is water. Okay, so in the presence of sunlight, so kinakailangan may sunlight yan, ha? It will produce, so now we're talking about the products. Ito yung mga produkto, no? We have C6H12O6, yan yung glucose. Okay, so meron tayong isang product, we have glucose. And then we have O2 or oxygen. And of course, we have H2O or water. So, yun yung mga products and raw materials. Next. Okay. So, oxygen on Earth allowed for the evolution of aerobic respiration in higher forms. So, we'll talk about cellular respiration after this topic, no? So, basta yung nasa taas yun yung yung formula para sa photosynthesis. Yung nasa baba na formula, yan ay formula para sa cellular respiration. Okay, so let's move on. So, 2 stages of photosynthesis. Dalawang stages daw meron ng photosynthesis. We have light reaction and dark reaction. Okay, so yung light reaction is also called the light-dependent reaction. Yung dark reaction, tinatawag din siyang light-independent reaction. Or, may isa pang tawag sa kanya, tinatawag din siyang Calvin cycle. So, yun. It's either dark reaction, Calvin cycle, or light-independent reaction. Okay? So, pagdating sa light reaction naman, we have light reaction or light-dependent reaction. Okay? So, ito yung mga trabaho nila. Light reactions convert sunlight into chemical energy. So, yung sunlight, kino-convert into chemical energy na ATP. Sinabi natin ATP, adenosine triphosphate, at saka NADPH. Okay, so yun yung dalawang chemical energy na napoproduce sa light reaction. Okay? Sa dark reaction naman, dark reactions use those products to form sugar. Ano yung tinutukoy na those products? Yung product sa light reaction. Ano yung product na yun? We have ATP and NADPH. So, pagdating sa dark reaction, yung ATP at saka NADPH, ginagamit yon para mag-produce ng sugar. Or, ano yung sugar natin? Pagdating sa photosynthesis, we call that as glucose. Yung C6H12O6 natin. Next, we have the properties of light. Okay, so light moves in waves in energy units called photons. So, yung maliliit na peraso, maliliit na particle ng light, ang tawag doon, photons. Energy of a photon is inversely proportional to its wavelength. So, kapag mataas yung energy nung photon, mababa yung or maikli yung wavelength niya. Okay, kapag ayun, ulitin natin energy of photon is inversely proportional. So, ibig sabihin, kapag mataas yung energy ng photon, maikli yung wavelength niya. Kapag mababa yung energy ng photon, longer wavelength siya. Or mahaba yung wavelength niya. So, yun ibig sabihin ng inversely proportional. Okay? So, magkasalungat yung energy at saka yung wavelength. Pagdating sa photosynthesis na yan. So, visible light, okay, so between UV and IR, between ultraviolet and infrared occurs in a spectrum of colors. Yung pinag-usapan natin yan kanina. Okay, so yan, ito, okay na rin yan, no? Alam na natin yan. Alam natin, a small fraction lang yung visible light. Okay, so light is absorbed by pigments. The primary pigment for photosynthesis is chlorophyll A. Okay, it absorbs blue and red light, not green light. So, green light is reflected back. Kaya green yung nakikita natin. Okay, so skip na lang natin ito mga to. So, where does photosynthesis occur? Okay, so it occurs in the leaf, right? Specifically in the chloroplast. So, the plant cell, yun yung nasa bandang baba sa right side, yun yung chloroplast. Okay. Yun. So, structure, huwag na natin pag-usapan yan, basta alam natin yan. Okay, so chloroplast structure, it is football shape, double membrane. Okay, so may tinatawag na stroma. Okay, so yung mga parts niya, stroma, and then we have the thylakoid membrane. Tapos yung pinagsama-samang thylakoid membrane, ang tawag doon is grana. Okay, so yun yung grana. It's a stock of thylakoid membranes. Okay, so lumen inside thylakoid. So, yun lang. Magkaiba yung ano na yan, yung gamit niya. Yung grana or yung thylakoids, diba? Pag pinagsama-sama mo, tinatawag siyang grana. So, then nangyayari yung light-dependent reaction. Where in the Calvin cycle or the direct reaction, nangyayari naman siya dun sa stroma. So, yung dalawang kaibahan nila. Yun yung kaibahan ng dalawa. Next, inside is chloroplast. Okay, so yun. Overview of photosynthesis. Note, the light and dark or carbon reaction happen at different sites in the chloroplast. So, yun nga, yung binanggit ko kanina. So, light reaction, it happens in the thylakoids or pwede rin sabihin sa grana. Kasi, di ba, pag pinagsama-sama mo yung thylakoids, nakabuko na stock, ang tawag na is grana. And then, we have H2O. Yan yung kailangan, di ba? H2O, oxygen gas is produced as a byproduct of light-dependent reaction. So, pagdating sa light reaction, may dalawa siyang products. Okay? So, it produces ATP and NADPH. So, yun mga chemical energy yun. And then, anong nangyari dyan? Nai-split yung water into hydrogen and oxygen gas. So, napoproduce yung oxygen as a byproduct of the light-dependent reaction. Okay? And then, dark or carbon reactions, it occurs in the stroma. Okay, so CO2 is converted into glucose or C6H12O6. Okay, so yan. So the light reactions convert solar energy to chemical energy to produce ATP and NADPH. So ano yung mga raw materials pagdating sa light reaction? Ang raw materials niya ay uh, of course we in the aid of sunlight we have water and CO2, right? So we have carbon dioxide and water. So ang mapoproduce naman nito, yung product niya ay ATP. ATP is adenosine triphosphate. Ito yung energy. Okay? It is a high source of energy. So, ATP at saka NADPH. So, the Calvin cycle makes sugar from carbon dioxide. Okay? So, ATP generated by the light reaction provides the energy for sugar synthesis. So, para, yun nga, kung ano yung product ng light-dependent reaction, yun yung gagamitin na raw materials pagdating doon sa Calvin cycle. Okay, para yung carbon dioxide is maano siya, ma-synthesize siya or ma-process siya para maging glucose or sugar siya. Okay? So the NADPH produced by the light reactions provides the electrons for the reduction of carbon dioxide to glucose. So yun yung gamit nila, no? So energy, ang magbibigay ng energy para sa process ng Calvin cycle yung ATP. Yung NADPH naman, it provides the electrons for the reduction of carbon dioxide to glucose. So, yun yung mga gamit. Hindi masyadong didiscuss ng malalim yan, no? Baliw tayo dyan. Remember, high school pa lang kayo. Doon na sa college or sa senior high nyo yan pag-usapan ng matindi. Okay, so we have the light reaction. The light reaction, it is light dependent. So, ibig sabihin, kailangan niya dyan ng light energy. Okay? Occur in the thylakoid membrane of the chloroplast. Water is split into oxygen gas. So, yung water ay nagkaroon ng process, no, yung tinatawag na photosystems, kung saan yung water nahihiwalay yung mga molecules nito, yung mga atoms nito, into oxygen and hydrogen. So, magkaroon ng dalawang atoms ng oxygen and isang atom ng hydrogen. So, use light energy or photons to generate two chemical energy compounds, ATP and NADPH. Okay, so yun yung mga products ng light reaction. Chemical energy compounds made in the light reactions. So yung ADP plus inorganic phosphate plus energy, it produces ATP. Okay, adenosine triphosphate. NADP plus 2 electrons plus hydrogen produces NADPH. Okay, nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide phosphate. So, yun yung ibig sabihin ng NADPH. So, yun. Summary of the light reactions. 2H2O plus 2NADP plus 3ADP plus 3PI. Okay. So, yun. Sa madaling salita, ang napoproduce yun sa light reaction is oxygen as a byproduct, NADPH, tas ATP. Tas may mga electrons din siya, tsaka dalawang hydrogen atoms. So, yan. Hindi na masyadong iyan to. Pag-usapan to, no? Baka mabaliw kayo dyan. The dark reaction or the carbon reactions. So, light independent reaction can occur in light or dark. Some enzymes require activation by light. So, yun, nangyayari siya sa light or sa dark. Pero may mga enzymes na bahagi niyan na kailangan na may light. It occur in the stroma of the chloroplast. Okay? Use the chemicals energy produced in light reaction. ATP and ADPH reduce CO2 to carbohydrate or sugar or what we call as glucose. Okay, so CO2 is converted to sugar by entering the Calvin cycle. Okay, so the Calvin cycle, yung Calvin cycle, pinangalan siya kay Melvin Calvin. Okay, so Melvin Calvin. So 3 phases, 13 steps. Carboxylation, reduction, regeneration. Skip na natin to. So yung Rubisco na yan, yun yung yung enzyme diyan, no, na kinakailangan dyan sa Calvin cycle. So 3-PGA, yun yung products niyan. Okay. Sige na, skip ko lang to mga to. Mahalaga yung mga yan. Kaya lang syempre, ang pag-usapan natin, yung talagang parang summary na lang yan, no? Hindi na yung step-by-step process. Okay, so yan. Ito tayo. CO2 enters the Calvin cycle. First product is a 3-carbon molecule, 3-PGA phosphoglyceric acid. That's why it's called C3 cycle. Okay, so yung enzyme Rubisco ribulase biphosphate carboxylase oxygenase is the main enzyme that catalyzes the first reaction of the Calvin cycle. Rubisco is the most abundant protein on earth. So yun yung mga enzyme na tumutulong para ma-breakdown yung mga substances diyan, no? So, summary of carbon, dito na tayo sa summary. 6CO2 plus 18 ATP plus 12 NADPH plus 12 H2O produces. Okay, so mapapansin nyo dyan sa, ito, balikan lang natin. Mapapansin nyo, yun yung mga raw materials dyan. We have carbon dioxide, ATP, NADPH, at saka water. Okay, sa sa dark reaction yan. Tapos magpo-produce siya ng glucose, yung C6H12O6. Tapos, ADP, case, PI, and ADP, H2O plus 6O2. Okay, so generally, ang product talaga niyan, kung titingnan natin, glucose at saka water. Okay, yun yung pinaita ko sa umpisa kanina. Okay, so glucose. Carbon dioxide uses CO2 and chemical energy to produce sugar by means of the Calvin cycle. Limitations on photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is not perfect in C3 plants. Okay, so it is only 1 to 4% efficient. So low efficiency due to photorespiration. Okay, so yan. Photorespiration occurs when internal carbon dioxide concentration becomes too low or drought. Rubisco begins fixing oxygen. So, yun yung mga limitations sa photosynthesis. Kapag konti yung carbon dioxide. Later on, we will talk about the factors that affect photosynthesis. So, summary of photosynthesis. Light energy absorbed by chlorophyll A drives the reaction of photosynthesis. Okay, so yun yung pinakasimula, nagsimula siya sa chlorophyll. Next, converts light energy into chemical energy to make organic compounds. Next, we have carbon dioxide and water used to produce glucose and oxygen gas. So, we have yung mga, raw materials, okay, or reactants, we call that as reactants. So, yung mga reactants is yung carbon dioxide and water. And then, in the aid of sunlight, it produces glucose and oxygen, okay. Next, light reaction occurs in the thylakoids of the chloroplast. ATP and NADPH are formed. Okay, so water is split to O2 and protons or mga electrons din yan, no? Mga electrons na puproduce din dyan. So, yun yung mga products ng light reaction. ATP at NADPH. Next, we have carbon reaction occurs in the stroma. So, ito na yung Calvin cycle natin or the dark reaction or the light independent reaction. Okay, so Calvin cycle fixes CO2 to produce glucose. Photosynthesis is still the most important biological process on Earth. Of course, without photosynthesis, there will be no plants, right? And without plants, walang kakainin yung mga animals. And then, pag walang animals and plants, walang kakainin yung mga tao. So, all life on Earth depends on green plants. And of course, we still owe that to sunlight. Okay, kapag walang sunlight, wala rin yun. Kahit may green plants yan, wala din yan. So, why is photosynthesis so important for you? Photosynthesis is one of the most important biological process on Earth. It provides the oxygen we breathe. Okay, so of course, yung oxygen kasi byproduct siya ng photosynthesis, diba? And we use oxygen in order for us to breathe. Next, we have consumes much of the CO2. Of course, kapag nasobra ng CO2 sa atmosphere, masama rin yun, no? It will create greenhouse effect and later on global warming, di ba? So yung mga na yan. Next, we have food, of course, because of photosynthesis. Okay, it's food. Next, energy, of course, fiber and materials. Okay. Next, overview of photosynthesis. Okay, so dalawang process. We have light and dark reaction. So, we have for light reaction, we have water plus CO2. So, yung water at saka yung carbon dioxide, yun yung kailangan, di ba? In the aid of sunlight, it will produce oxygen. And then, yung mga chemical compounds, you have ATP and NADPH. So, yung ATP and ADPH, yan naman yung gagamitin na raw materials dun sa dark reaction kasama yung carbon dioxide, no? So, ipaprocess yan and then it will create sugar. Okay? So, and of course, water also is produced in that process. So, ito yung source. Okay? So, thank you.